The sink's plugged. I need a plumber. Hi, is this Plumber Man? I need someone to clean my pipes.
Plumber Man here.
Help.
I will eat your heart. I was told there were pipes to clean.
The right here. God, you were fast. How did you get here so quick?
It looks clogged.
No, seriously, I'm creeped out. Hello? Dear God. You're creeping me out, stop it. Answer me. Zombie.
Your soul is mine.
Die. Taste lead. What a loser. Ha 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 ha. No. That's impossible. I killed you.
Do you need your pipes cleaned? If I'm a plumber, why do I have a mop? That's weird.